Good morning, everybody. Hello, how are you guys? Just woke up. There is a snowstorm coming, and there's like a vortex of cold weather coming. I'm going out of town later today, so I'm hoping that when I get back home late tonight that the storm hasn't started. So that is my day. But right now I'm super excited to start couponing. I went to coupons.com, but I print my coupons on coupons.com from Swagbucks. You get points for every coupon that you print. Today you get 2 points for every coupon that you print, so I checked it out. There are some new coupons that you guys want to print off. Go for it. I am going to do a printer video soon, you guys. I just need to do it when my son's not home, but I will be doing it. Just be prepared. It'll happen this week. But Breathe Right, we got $1.75 off coupons. I'm not going to print those off because those will be around for a while. CoverGirl, they added some more coupons, $2 off, $1, $2 off. I'm not going to print a lot of those off because I get those inserts with the inserts that I order. Persil, I love Persil, so I always print off Persil. My stockpile of my Persil is going low, but we got that. Clearasil, there's $1. I don't think I need the $1 off coupon, so I'm going to pass on that. Act, Rolaids, those are new. We got another CoverGirl, a $3 off CoverGirl mascara, so I'm going to print that off because there might be some deals. I never get those coupons, so I'm printing that off. And then Kleenex, Scott's, those, I never get those. I get those coupons, but I don't get a lot of them, so I'm going to print those off. Here we got Schneider's or Hanover, $1 off at 2. Late July, never heard of that. Cottonelle. Then we got Cape Cod Emerald Pop Secret. Here's 50 cents off of Snuggle, $2 off Clairol, 75 cents off of Tums, Friskies, Kettle, $5 off of 2 for Clairol, nice and easy. Otherwise, that's pretty much it for coupons. I'm not printing a lot because they're not like really awesome coupons, so there's that. But they do have a couple to sell, the same ones. They got the Hershey ones still available, Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, Eucerin, Dial, Scrubby Bubbles, Hershey's, Perel, and Forto. So those are still available. But just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.